Now I've just looked out of my window and noticed that my birds and squirrels have been nice and greedy on their bird table. It's time to go refill, and I've been to the pound shop and bought some new mealworms. Yes, because we're running low on the big bag and I'm not going back into town for a bit, so it's pound shop. I think they've eaten all the sunflower seeds. I think I'm going to tip that onto the garden, and then refill it. That's what I have been doing anyway. Are you ready? We're going to go dipping. Now I can refill it. So I've got to fill the one that has my bowls in. The suet, I'm going to put a new suet thing in. Refill the middle one. Yes. They don't seem to like these when I put them on the table. So I'm wondering, I'm going to put them in here and then put them back in the water area. See how they get on with that. They don't like it when I put it on that table. So you've got a little nest there to do. So we'll put a lot of sunflower seeds on here because they seem to like the sunflower seeds. So we'll put a lot of them out on there. We'll half fill the sunflower, half fill it with sunflower seeds. Put a few peanuts on, not a lot. Because I might fill up my container with peanuts actually. If I can. This is where I need a little platform. Sat on there. Oh, there's a post there. That would have been funny. Right, is that there's the open bird seed. So I'm not going to put a lot of this out because they don't seem to eat a lot of this. So that's enough of that out. So we're going to finish off the luxury bowls today, those ones. So we've got to go to Wilco's next week and get some bowls. Because this is the last lot of them. But I do have a big suet log to go in there when these are gone. I do. That can get broke up onto there. There's another suet block. I've got 2 coconuts out of suet block, my big bowls that have got suet in it, and then I'm going to put my suet log out. Not today, not putting my suet log out. Just the mealworm to refill. I like to give that a shake and then it refreshes it. And weird. That's the suet log I've got to put out, look. It's a big jumbo suet log with insects. So where this one goes is where my luxury balls, when they're finished with them. Oh no, I've lost the thing though that goes on top of there to stop them from getting in. Oops, because I've refilled it with them soot things. What can I put on? Put the stool on top. That. Put the stool on top. Yeah, just thinking that. Don't think they're going to eat that. It doesn't look nice. That can go in the bin. There we go. So I am on the lookout for another one of those metal things because I've got some more things that I can hang food in for them. Attract even more. Yes. So there we go. My bird table and feeder all filled. Ready for another day. Yes. Don't forget to give my video a big like, subscribe to my channel and follow me on Twitter, Instagram and my amazing Patreon, which is in the link below. The link is in the description below. Click it, takes you to where I am, and I'll see you soon.